We are pleased to show you the 2018 Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power brakes, driver's side remote mirror, dual exhaust, interval wipers, rear window wiper, leather upholstery, keyless entry, premium sound system, security system, power door locks. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.